My video guide will help you to remove the browser scam that is related to the website latestbtcmarketnews.com. This particular website displays faulty alerts that try to encourage visitors into subscribing to the multiple advertisements in the form of push notifications, and also in some cases these pop-ups try to scare people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Latestbtcmarketnews.com may display pretty misleading pop-ups. For instance, in this particular case, it says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. This information is far away from the truth, and also these pop-ups may imitate some fake browser cleanup. But in reality, when people start interacting with these pop-ups and click on this proceed button, they may be forwarded to some other junk sites that may promote potentially unwanted software. So, if you ever encounter these pop-ups on your computer screen, you should not interact with them. Do not download or install anything that they suggest. So, in case the virus has got into your computer and the adware is now displaying these pop-ups, you should definitely fix your browser and possibly your entire computer. First thing you should do is to check the control panel of your system. Go ahead and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious, because sometimes the adware may be bundled with certain free programs. If you locate some items that are not familiar to you, uninstall them. Also, consider checking the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools, then Extensions. So if you find something unwanted or unfamiliar here, get rid of it. Finally, I recommend you to consider checking your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and start carefully researching your system to detect and delete other threats from your device effectively, and to protect your system in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.